is so cool.
Oh, that was pretty.
Next firework, please.
Oh! Oh my goodness.
I know.
It's so sparkly!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That was a good one. Oh my gosh, it's another one.
It's
another
like
one.
right above us.
It's so cool.
Oh, those are so pretty.
Those are awesome. Those are my favorites.
Oh man, they're so close. Oh man. Woo! Right above us. Oh man.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! That's why we have to stay so far away. They're leaving. Oh my gosh!
Oh, Carolyn's worried.
No, I think that was.
Oh.
Is that a heart? I can't tell. Oh, they're turning. Woo.
Whoa, what was that supposed to be?
Yeah, we all want to move.
What?
I think we're fine. The cops would come and get us if we're too close. Yeah, I think this one's fine, but it's
Well, maybe.
Woo.
see, it's just the people that are like
Oh
that
my
close.
gosh.
We're way farther away than that.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That was great.
They're exploding
That's why
off the
those-
water.
That's why some of those were. I guess those were the boats that were up there. Probably not there.
AJ and Carolyn are.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Oh!
So cool.
Oh my goodness, it's so cool. This is awesome. Oh, we're moving.
We're drifting anyway.
Keep it up.
Be careful not to drift into anybody.
Woo!
Oh. Ben thinks we're drifting towards it.
No, he thinks we're drifting towards someone.
Oh. Oh. This is amazing. Oh. Oh! That was awesome!
Woo!
Oh, they're gonna do the spark.
See, they didn't go that far. They went really close. That was awesome.
I think that's on purpose, you guys.
That is on purpose. That's on purpose.
And it doesn't go off this far. Why do we have to move?
We're not even moving that far. It's not a big deal.
Woo! Ah, we stopped. Woo!
Oh, it's right above us. Ah! No, we're farther away.
I know.
This is gonna be a YouTube hit.
Yeah.
Ah, bug.
3D.
I know.
Together.
It's supposed to be the finale. That was scary, man. Oh, that was amazing. I'm out of juice.
It's awesome.
Sounds like a war zone.
This is awesome.
Woo!
I'm gonna be that annoying person on YouTube.
Oh, there's more.
Oh, sparkles.
Woo! That was so cool. Woo! Woo! Star! And we're rotating.
Oh, what was that supposed to be?
I don't know. Couldn't tell.
Kind of looked like cherry.
Maybe Mickey Mouse. I think AJ's right. Woo! Man, we are rotating. That was cool. That was like the atomic bomb explosion.
Figure 8.
Yeah.
Or bow tie. Bow tie.
Or infinity.
No, it's bow tie. Whoa, what is that supposed to be?
Woo!
That's awesome. It was like a butterfly.
Whoa! Can't believe they're. Oh my gosh! Those are awesome.